It is a pleasure to be with you all today at our famous Jet Set town for the foundation laying ceremony of the Namaka Municipal Market. The municipal market extension is yet another milestone project being funded by your government and the UN Women. The 4.79 million investment includes US $200,000 a donation from the UN Women, and the balance is from your government. There will be 355 vendor stalls compared to the existing 221 stalls, and hence the total stalls would go up to 576. And an accommodation center with 48 beds and basic accommodation facilities, with an increase in an area by 2,200 square meters. The total area shall now stand at 3,327 square meters, and provisions are there for two food outlets with 38 sittings. The proposed extension has been designed to also be disabled friendly. Gender friendly design techniques are being employed, ensuring vendor stalls, accommodation centers, and associated market facilities are gender friendly. For rural and urban sustainable development and growth to become a reality, ladies and gentlemen, it is very important that local and regional consumers are linked to the producers. The Fiji First government has strongly supported the market projects because it underpins and underlines the growing importance and demand for linking Fiji's economic growth with agriculture development. We all know that trade is a pillar of growth, and to sustainably grow, we need to focus not only on trade between countries, but also trade. The Fijian economy has continued to thrive and grow for a straight 80s record, and markets as this will ensure ongoing accomplishment to keep up this record in future. This junction spot will help buyers and sellers to easily find each other and have the right conditions for conducting transaction. This transaction will ripple down to supply chains and enable improved quality, price, volumes, and other values, including social and environmental aspects. Ladies and gentlemen, the proposed extension of the Namaka Municipal Market is being carried out by the government to support the farmers and general market vendors who have shown an interest to be part of Nandy's town economic growth. It is expected that the extension shall directly benefit the vendors and their families, and of course contribute towards promoting local produce. The new Namaka market facility will introduce rainwater harvesting with a capacity to store up to 20,000 liters of water. The market will utilize solar energy for its partial supply of energy. The 3R program, which ensures recycling, reducing, and reusing, will also be introduced. This is seen as a major value add, leaving Fiji's environmental principle of solid waste reduction at source. This project is yet another landmark showcasing our leadership and support to the adaptation and mitigation to the effects of climate change. As your line minister, I commend the Nandi Town Council for thinking green, and may I urge everyone to practice green in whatever you can, so that as a nation we can champion the tackling of climate change together. Ladies and gentlemen, at this juncture, let me say that come November, it will be a very historical month and day for Fiji, because our Honorable Prime Minister will take over as the presidency of COP23. It's a historical day, ladies and gentlemen. And I would like to urge the people of Nandi to celebrate that particular day, the day when that honor will be bestowed upon our Honorable Prime Minister. And come December, Nandi will be declared city. What else you want? That's gonna happen. Some people think that it will not happen, but let me say here today, it's gonna happen in the month of December when we're going to declare Nandi third city. Ladies and gentlemen, a month ago, the new Langere Municipal Market Foundation laying ceremony was commissioned. And few months before that, we had the foundation laying ceremony for the Reki Reki Municipal Market. So you can see the commitment by the government towards our market vendors. We want them to have proper facilities. Gone are the days for them to sleep on footpaths. Not under this government, no way. Municipal market development is a priority for our government, and we see this as a great opportunity to develop small businesses, promote income equality, promote agriculture and local production, and support a strong economic base for our beloved country. Government remains adamant that every Fijian is important, and every Fijian will be encouraged to be part of our economic success. Ladies and gentlemen, with these few words, may I take this opportunity to wish the best of luck to the construction team, namely Tulsi Construction, and all those who will be involved in this project. The architects, the engineers, the electrical contractors, all those. And I eagerly look forward to the completion of this project. May God bless us all.